Hey friends, I'm Shamal Kapadia here, and I'm going to start with the first chapter of the CBSE board in mathematics, which is real numbers. Majority of the chapters are perhaps all the chapters. I only shall be doing it with you all. But let's see how the things flow in future. One thing is very genuinely I'm saying at the start of the curriculum or the syllabus in maths. Whenever you happen to go with a sum and you have not understood, I expect you to re-observe the question once again, re-observe the solution once again. दो तीन बार कभी कभी ऐसे कोई सम्स होते हैं इंट्रिकेट सम्स जो एक बार में समझ में इतनी आसानी से नहीं आते, आपको रिवाइंड करना पड़ेगा एंड यू माइट हैव टू सी दैट सम 2 or 3 times, बट डोंट गिव अप, ट्रस्ट मी, फॉर द सेकंड और द थर्ड टाइम you should definitely crack the solution to that sum, क्योंकि कुछ sums are of great level in this syllabus of CBSE 10th standard maths. Some sums need to be devised and they need to be re-observed and redone for perfect entering it into your brains. So we're going to start with our first chapter called real numbers. A very simple chapter to start with. It's one of the easiest chapters of the syllabus out of 15 chapters which we have in the syllabus. Talking about real numbers, पहले हम लोग किसके बारे में बात करेंगे? ये चैप्टर में पहले we are going to talk about Euclid's algorithm. लेमा डिवीजन बोलते हैं, लेमा, LEMMA. Okay, lemma division. We're going to talk about HCF, yes, of course. We will talk about LCM. Then देखते हैं आगे जैसे ही बढ़ते हैं, I will keep on guiding you all towards the path. To start with, we're going to talk about Euclid's algorithm, lemma division. What exactly is this? Check. Starting with a very simple formula, मैं तुम लोग को साइड में डेमो देते जाऊंगा. Yes, the formula is, the simple basic formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient yeah, plus remainder. Yeah, now this is one simple formula जो तुम लोग ने सुना भी होगा. डिविडेंड को हम लोग यूजुअली ये चैप्टर में ए नाम देंगे, ए बोल के संबोधित करेंगे डिविडेंड को. डिवाइजर इज गोइंग टू बी बी, quotient is q and the remainder is r. So this is the generalized form or a formula, और ये यूज करके अपने यूक्लिड भाई ने कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स बताए थे जो हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं. So come on guys, it's not a formula, it is the same thing. A is equal to bq plus r. Remember one thing, अपना जो r है ना, रिमाइंडर, r can be 0, possible, r can be 0. b अपना जो डिवाइजर है, डिवाइजर, b is a divisor, a is dividend, right? b can be 0, बट अगर b 0 हो गया तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम में आ जाएंगे, बट या पॉसिबिलिटी अराइजेस, एंड r का जो आंसर है will always be within this range. ये रेंज के बीच में घूमता रहेगा. r can be 0 or greater than 0. रिमाइंडर कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. रिमाइंडर जब नेगेटिव आने की नौबत पे अगर पहुंचे हम लोग, वी नीड टू स्टॉप द डिवीजन, वी नीड टू स्टॉप द एल्गोरिथम. मतलब रिमाइंडर r या तो 0 होगा या 0 से बड़ा होगा, लेकिन वो डिविडेंड से कम होगा. r remainder will be less than the dividend, but it will be greater than or equal to 0. This is a condition which needs to be followed. याद रखना. समझा नहीं ना? पता है. एग्जाम्पल देता हूं, डेमो देता हूं, डेमो. इफ आई से 15 you divide it by 2, put it into the normal division. 15 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. 2 sevens are 14. That's it. So can I say dividend, which is a, is 15 in this sum? I'm using that formula, that simple formula, this one. A is bq plus r. I'll just write it now. A is b into q plus r. A, which is the dividend, is 15. B is the divisor. 2 into quotient is 7 plus remainder is 1. So haven't we said that A is 15, B is 2, Q is 7 and R is 1? Isn't R less than B? समझा क्या तुम लोग को? सो ये फॉर्मूला है एंड ये तोड़ तोड़ के जो आंसर मिलेगा जिससे हम लोग HCF भी ढूंढ सकते हैं, दैट इज गिवन बाय यूक्लिड्स और लेमा डिवीजन और यूक्लिड्स एल्गोरिथम. दिस इज द बेस and we start off with my first formula for the chapter is A is equal to B into Q plus R. B is the divisor, A is the dividend, Q is the quotient, R is the remainder. And remainder has to be between 0 and B. It cannot be equal to B. इधर देखो equal to sign नहीं है, but 0, yeah, it can be equal to 0. याद रखना. HCF ढूंढने के लिए this algorithm is useful in order to find HCF and many other things. But yes, HCF, highest common factor, is one of the application of lemma. What is highest common factor? You have studied this, but I don't trust you all. भरोसा नहीं होता है, क्या करूं? Sorry यार, बुरा लगा तो दिल पे मत लो. सुनो यार, अगर मैं बोलता हूं 36 and 50 का HCF ढूंढो. Using lemma division we can find it out. How? Check. Process. Demo दे रहा हूं, examples दे रहा हूं. 36 and out of 50 and 36, which is a smaller number? 36. So can I say 36 is less than 50? कम है, छोटा है. So 50 is like your dividend A. A is your dividend. 36 is like your divisor B. Side में I will just solve. 36 2s are 72, बढ़ जाता है, नहीं चलेगा. So 36 1s are 36. 14 is the remainder. So as of now, to start with my first step, A is equals to B into Q plus R, which is the remainder. समझा क्या? Right. अभी नेक्स्ट वाले में 36 बन जाएगा मेरा डिविडेंड. 36 is now the divisor becomes the dividend and remainder becomes the divisor. So ये और ये बढ़ते जाएंगे, चलते जाएंगे. So let's proceed. Next division. 36 goes inside. जो बाहर था वो घर के अंदर चला गया और जो बाहर इधर 14 है वो बाहर जाएगा. So remainder इधर आ जाएगा. 14 2s are 28. 36 minus 28 is 8. So this can be written as 14 2s are 28 plus 8. Again, I shall underline these two. Third portion में, third division में, now 8 will go out and 14 should go in. 14 and 8. 8 ones are 8. So 14 can be written as 8 into 1 plus 6. Plus 6. Perfect. Again, you can underline 8 and 6. और एक बार 8 जो डिवाइजर था अभी डिविडेंड बनेगा and remainder becomes the divisor. So lemma में 8 can be written as 6 ones are 6. Carry forward 2. 6 into 1 plus 2. 6 ones are 6 plus 2 8. Perfect. One more. 6 and 2. So my friends, now last one. 6 divisor अंदर गया और remainder बाहर आया. 2 3s are 6 and finally you continue. You stop when the remainder becomes 0. So 6 मिलेगा 2 into 3 plus 0 और ये जो final answer आता है 2. That is going to be my HCF. So my highest common factor is the one which fetches, which gives me the remainder 0. जब remainder 0 आता है तो ये जो मेरा comparison में B है ना, B, when the remainder is 0, B will be greater than the remainder and B is your final HCF, highest common factor. So you can conclude that the highest common factor of 50 and 36 is 2. That's it. मतलब which is a product of B and not a product exactly, but which is the number जो दोनों को साथ में डिवाइड कर सकता है. We call it as a common divisor, a common factor of both of them, and that is 2 for my given example. So मैंने क्या किया पता है? मैंने नहीं किया, सॉरी यार, मैं तो खाली सॉल्व किया. यूक्लिड ने या लेमा डिवीजन से क्या पता चलता है? You can keep on reducing ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके a इज इक्वल टू बी क्यू प्लस आर यूज कर करके वी आर गोइंग टू मेक द सम सिंपल. वी आर गोइंग टू रिड्यूस आवर फैक्टर्स टू अ स्मॉल, एंड जब तक रिमाइंडर जीरो नहीं आता तब तक ये प्रोसेस करते जाओ. राइट? सो दिस फॉर्मूला and this is called as lemma division, and it's one of the examples which I have taken to find the highest common factor. So with this I think अपना जो फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है उसके पहले कुछ सॉल्व्ड एग्जांपल्स है. We have 4 solved examples before our first exercise. We shall first be attacking the solved examples, and then we will take the 6 questions from I beg your pardon, 5 questions from our first exercise. So go through this. कुछ खास अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा है. All I want you to remember is 2 things by heart. पहला ये फॉर्मूला, सेकंड ए बी क्यू और आर को क्या बोला जाता है, एंड थर्ड आर रिमाइंडर का आंसर कैन बी जीरो या बट इट विल बी लेस देन बी, इट विल बी लेस देन द डिवाइजर बी. राइट? बस इतना याद रखो और कुछ और किसी की जरूरत नहीं है मुझे फिलहाल. फाइन, गोइंग ऑन विद द फर्स्ट सॉल्व्ड एग्जांपल माय फ्रेंड्स. यूजिंग द यूक्लिड डिवीजन, फाइंड द HCF of the following. Right, we need to find, this is solved example 1. Yeah, we're gonna, most of the chapters have first actually also solved all the solved examples, because kuch chapters mein solved examples are like base, classy they are. Okay, 12576 and 4052. Alright, मुझे इसका HCF ढूंढना है. पहली बात, can I say 12576 बड़ा नंबर है तो उसको A डालेंगे, इट इज अ डिविडेंड, एंड 4052 इज अ डिवाइजर. राइट? सो पहले व्हाट वी आर गोना डू इज, मैं साइड में डिवीजन सॉल्व करते रहूंगा. राइट? सो वी हैव 12576 एंड वी हैव 4052. ये रफ कॉलम में नहीं होना चाहिए. दिस हैज टू बी शोन एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ. आई थिंक 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 12, 1 2 1 5 6. Subtract करो, 0 2 4, 420 मिलेगा as the remainder. So using the formula A is equal to BQ plus R. एक बार लिखो formula, it's more than enough, sufficient. A, which is 12576, can be written as B, which is 4052. Quotient is 3. And the remainder is 420. Perfect. Next, underline these two. Helpful. This was my first part. Second, करते जाओ. 4052 becomes your new A. 420 becomes your new B. Into what plus what? Side में देखते हैं. So this is 4052, 420. 420 मेरे ख्याल से 9 जा बड़ा हो जाएगा 8 जा, 8 zeros are 0, 8 twos are 16, 33, 3360. How is it possible? More 420 ऐड कर सकते हैं ना. 9 जा हो सकता है, possible. 9 twos are 18, carry forward 1, 45 and 1 46. Yes, and 9 4s are 36. कितना हो गया? Okay, 1 second. This is 9 zeros are 0. I'll just check. 9 zeros are 0. 9 twos are 18. 37. Yeah, it is possible with 9. So subtract 2, 5, carry forward 1, 3, 7, 9, 2. 272 मिलेगा आंसर. So 420 into 9 plus 272. Right. ये था मेरा second portion. You can underline this and you can underline this. 420 बन जाता है अपना डिविडेंड A. डिवाइजर 272 into quotient जो भी आएगा plus remainder. Now let's solve the third part. You have 420 and you have 272. Obviously ones ही होगा. So 272 if you subtract 8, 4, 148 is what you get. So ones are plus 148 as your remainder. Continue the process. You can underline these two. 272 बनेगा अपना dividend which is A. 148 is the divisor. Let's find the quotient and the remainder. So we have 272 and 148. Obviously ones are. On subtraction, 2, 4, 6, 2 and that's it. You're left with 124. 124. So ones are plus 1, 2, 4. It's huge, right? Yeah. Come on, underline this. 148 बनेगा A. B है 124 into quotient plus remainder. ढूंढना है. ये easy है. This can be done orally. 124 ones are 124. 148 minus 124. Carry forward 24. Underline these two. Perfect. Sounds good. 124 बनेगा मेरा A dividend. 24 बनेगा divisor. Okay. 24 5 कितना होता है? 120. Perfect. Carry forward 4. I think that's the last step now. 24 5 are 120 plus 4. And the last step, we have 24. 4 into dash plus dash. 4 6 are 24, of course, and the remainder is 0. Guys, जब भी remainder 0 होता है, that is my last step. That means 4 is my highest common factor. Whichever is the divisor at the last, which fetches me the remainder 0, is my highest common factor. So a closing statement, the highest common factor of 4052 and 12576 by lemma division is 4. Next question, my friends. Right? Simple था. बड़े छोटे वाले जो calculations है can be done directly. बड़े वाले calculations you should ideally show. क्योंकि अगर by chance mistake हो भी गया, isn't it easier for us to refer back to the solutions? Yes. Let's begin with the next one. Question. Solve example 2. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. Fine. Simple है, छोटा सा sum है. ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं अपने एक्सरसाइज में, तो जरा ध्यान से हम लोग है ना ऑलवेज वी गोना स्टार्ट विद द फॉर्मूला. सो आई विल स्टार्ट माय क्वेश्चन दिस वे. लेट द टू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स बी a and b where b is equal to 2. तो डिवाइजर को 2 लिया. तुम बोलोगे सर why did you take the divisor as 2? Because you want to prove 2q or 2q plus 1. मतलब quotient के साथ we need a 2. Hence b को मैंने 2 assume किया which is a positive integer. Therefore the formula becomes a is equal to 2 into quotient plus r. According to that same formula b को 2 डाला है. Remember where r जो है ना r can be 0 और इट कैन बी 1, 2 नहीं हो सकता. क्योंकि तुम लोगों को पता है क्या कि r कैन ऑलवेज लाई बिटवीन 0 एंड b. 0 ले सकता है पर b से छोटा होना चाहिए. b अगर 2 है, कम ऑन ओए अगर b 2 है, r कैन बी ईदर 0 और इट कैन बी 1. इट कैन नॉट बी 2 और मोर देन 2. r हैज टू बी बिटवीन 0 inclusive of 0 and b which is 2. So put, therefore a is equals to 2q plus 0. So a is equals to 2 times q. I will say 2. Isn't it a multiple of 2? Therefore a is a multiple. q कुछ भी होने दो यार. q can be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 कुछ भी होने दो. Isn't a going to be a multiple of 2 divisible by 2? So a is a multiple of 2. Hence it has to be an even integer. अगर मैंने r को 1 भी डाला, a will be 2 into q plus 1 and obviously if 2q even है, add 1 करो, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1 19. Yes. So therefore a with r equal to 1 is an odd integer. And with this we can prove that yes, that every positive even integer, हर positive even integer will be a is to q के फॉर्मेट में और हर positive odd integer ये फॉर्मेट में होगा, राइट? q को कुछ भी डालो, इसका आंसर इवन आएगा और इसका आंसर हमेशा odd आएगा. q को obviously put it as an even integer, quotient है ना, quotient cannot be zero or negative, या zero हो सकता है but negative नहीं हो सकता है, याद रखना. Right, so this was my second solved example. Going on with the third solved example. Show that every or any positive odd integer of the form 4q plus 1, 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. Okay, positive odd integer. I will say let a and b is equal to 4q. b कितना है? 4q है. b two positive integers. Yes. फॉर्मूला से स्टार्ट करता हूं. a is equal to b into q plus r, where b is equal to 4. 4 क्यों नहीं लेते हैं? b को 4 लेते हैं फिलहाल. So a is equals to 4 into q plus r. Please tell me, अगर b is 4, r can be 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 नहीं हो सकता है. r का वैल्यू हमेशा b से कम होना चाहिए. ठीक है ना? पुट करते जाओ. चलो 4q plus 0, 4q plus 1. r को I'm just putting the values ना, 0, 1, 2 and 3, and a is 4q plus 3. Now tell me one thing, very simple. This can I write 2 into 2q? This can I write 2 common है, factorization chapter, 2q plus 1. ओए my friends, 2 आगे आया मतलब a is a multiple of 2 in these two cases. ये दो केसेस में वो 2 का मल्टीपल है. अरे भाई 2 का मल्टीपल है मतलब वो इवन हो गया. मतलब these two cannot be odd, impossible event. ये दोनों 2 के टेबल में जाएंगे, 2 के मल्टीपल्स है. सो फर्स्ट एंड द थर्ड वाला जो एक्सप्रेशन है has to be even. So who is going to be odd all the time? Can I say 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3? These are going to be my odd positive integers. This is going to be my odd positive integers. The rest, this and this are going to be even because they are multiples of 2. So we have proved that 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3, they are going to give me positive odd integers जो ये फॉर्मेट का होता है. कौन से फॉर्मेट का दोस्तों? a is equal to 4q plus r वाले टाइप में. So guys, this was my third question. Solved example number 3. So go through these 3 solved examples. Fourth wala, pretty simple. You just have to find the HCF. एक बार give it a try reading the sum. With the help of these 3 concepts or these 3 sums, we shall attack the first exercise, which is 1.1.